Yes. Yes, here we go again. Monday. False move Monday. You know, actually BTC went skyrocket, right? And also other assets. So, you know, we made crazy gains in the group, I can tell you that. I will show you later in this video that I called the exact weekly bottom and that we're still in this long position and that we are up 1500%. You know, one thing is very dangerous when you're trading and you trade for a living actually. And one thing I notice is that when I watch TA of other guys, it tricks your mind, you know, because when I watch these videos, they are so confident about their TA that it's almost manipulation, right? It's almost like you start believing these things, right? And if you don't have any skills or any knowledge about it, you will just follow, you know, and you will get wrecked, you know, and that's the thing, you know, and I'm here on YouTube to make a difference, you know. Stop trading real funds. Stop following just random guys, you know. Do research, educate yourself, be consistent, disciplined, and learn the real deal, you know. Don't pull magic lines, you know. Understand how this market moves. All this market moves the same. It's an algorithm. It's all based on an algorithm, fear and greed. And that's it. With a little manipulation, with big guys who want to wreck you, right? So guys, you know, BTC made a swing high on the daily. We're now at strong resistance, but I'm expecting BTC to break it, to come to the 786 on the daily. You know, if you watch the daily now or the 8 hour, the 4 hour, you can see an inverted head and shoulder forming. So there's a possibility that we create a swing low to create an inverted head and shoulder to reach target. And that's all-time high. And why is that? Because there's sell-side liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity of people going short. So price needs to go there, you know. People are willing to sell their position with a loss there. So why should the price not go there, right? So as that said, guys, let's go to the chart. As you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC USDT again. And you can see this inverted head and shoulder here forming, right? So there's a possibility that we bounce on this resistance level to create a swing low, to create an inverted head and shoulders, you know, to stay in the terms. But, you know, actually it's the 786. But yeah, that's for the site, you know. There's a possibility that we create this inverted head and shoulder to eventually grab sell side liquidity here and come down, or not. There's a possibility that we will pump up. You know, I noticed also that some traders spotted a shooting star candle here, you know. One thing you have to remember with shooting star candles, especially on the monthly, it will take 1 month, 30 days or 31 days to confirm that this is actually a shooting star candle, right? To confirm that this is a shooting star candle, the next candle, in this case the next month, the closing price needs to close below previous closing price of the shooting star candle, to confirm that this is a shooting star candle. So don't panic when you see candles like this, because it takes a month to give confirmation if this candle is valid, yes or no, yes or not, right? Excuse me for my language, I'm from the Netherlands. I do this in English because I want to reach out to as much people as possible, right? So as that said, guys, let's go back to the daily. As I showed you guys before, we're creating an inverted head and shoulders here. Let me check. So this is the left shoulder. This is the head. This is the right shoulder, and it should go to the 786 somewhere here to create an head and shoulders, right? So once we created this head and shoulder, there's a possibility that we break resistance immediately and come to the 786 here, right? And I want to see if this 786 here is respected, yes or not, right? So when we pull a line from here to this neckline, then our target should be somewhere here, right? And that's sell side liquidity. So we have to check it, on this higher time frames with this swing lows and things. You have to be careful because we can create crazy divergence here, or we break through the upside, right? If we break through the upside, what should be our target? I think it's a very far away to predict this target, but it should be somewhere around 112k, right? 112, 113k. That should be our next target when we break all-time high. So, guys, to be honest, I'm not here to be right or wrong, but if you really want to make gains instead of following random shorts or long positions, jump in my group, Crypto Gainers. Link is in description, cryptogainers.nl. You will receive a link to the Discord group, and you're very welcome. I show you guys here in the group. I called this exactly bottom here on, what was it? The 1st of January. You can see that I posted this setup and that it actually hit this entry perfectly on 200x leverage. You can see the updates of the trade now. And this is now, and I think we are a little bit higher now. So we actually went to the moon, You have to remember that there's a strong resistance now at the moment on the daily. So there's a possibility that we create a swing low to create inverted head and shoulders and go back to the upside, right? But we have to hold this 786 here. This one. If we do not, we see the downside. If we do, upside. So as that said, guys, crazy gains in the group. 1500%. 15x your money, Can you imagine if you put in 100, or let's say 1k, and you traded $100, you made $1,500 only in this trade, right? If you went in my group and follow my trading. So as that said, guys, again, give yourself some education, learn the real deal about trading. Start to understand how this market is working, and I'm also in the group. If you need some personal guidance, I'm there to help you, so you're very welcome. As that said, guys, BTC, crazy bullish reversal. We're heading to strong resistance at the moment, expecting a swing low to retrace the 786 and go back up. We have to see what's happening on that 786 here to eventually grab sell side liquidity or maybe a new all-time high. So as that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. I wish you all a very great day. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.
time. Think about me.